This video prepared by myself, Golden Yashwini. I am working in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology from Kanyakumari district. In this video, we are going to discuss about creativity and innovation. On completion of this video, students will be explain why creativity and innovation is necessary and what is meant by creativity in organization, and they can explain what is innovative. So first of all, we are going to see creativity process. So we need to know what is meant by creativity, right? So creativity is nothing but it is defined as a ability. So ability to produce new and useful ideas through the combination of known principles and components in a novel and non-obvious ways. Okay, so creativity exists throughout the population, largely independent of age and education. So to have an effective research organization, it requires the understanding about creative process, identifying and acquiring creative people, and maintaining an environment that supports rather than inhibit creativity. Okay, in this creativity process, we are going to see what is meant by saturation, preparation, frustration and incubation, inspiration or illumination and verification. So creativity is a complex process, already we know, right? It is unexplainable and comes out of the clear blue sky for no apparent reasons. But behavioral scientists believe that through specific process creativity emerges. In the saturation, it may be true that some new ideas may come just by the way, but the most important way to get right ideas is to work on the baffling problem and work hard. For example, a manager should thoroughly conversant with the problem on hand. For him, saturation stage normally begins in through familiarity with the problem itself, its history, its important, its relationship to other part of business and its settings. So it will provide the manager an insight in identifying the real problem, and he can think for the suitable solution. The second one is preparation. So this step is a period of conscious direct mental effort devoted to the accumulation of information pertinent to the problem. So during this step, the following activities are carried out. What are that? Structure the problem, collect all available information and understanding relations and effects, and solve sub problems and explore all possible solutions with combination that may lead to the satisfactory solution. Okay, so then the third one is frustration and incubation. So in this failure to solve the problem satisfactory by analytical process lead to frustration to the creative person. So therefore he may engage himself in activities totally unconnected with the problem. He may watch movie, play video games and go for other entertainment and so on. So however, the problem fortified with all facts gathered about it incubates in the subconscious mind. So the subconscious mind engages continuously in generation of ideas for the solution of problems, even though people may not be aware about it. So during the process of incubation, the mind will work subconsciously to create certain new ideas. So the fourth one is inspiration or illumination. A possible solution to the problem may occur as a spontaneous insight, often when the conscious mind is at a rest during relaxation or sleep. Okay, someone states that creative ideas may and do appear at any hour and under the strangest circumstances. So sometimes many ideas may come when one is not really thinking about the problem consciously. Then the last one is verification. So it is a final stage of creative process and involves verifying, modifying, or applying the ideas towards the solution of the problem under study. So institution or insight is not always correct, and the solution revealed in a flash of insight. Okay, flash of insight must now be tested and evaluated to assure it which is a satisfactory solution to the problem. This is actually a very critical phase in creative process because new ideas are worthless until they come into full form and they are available for consideration by those who can use them. Okay, these are all creativity process. So next one is innovation. So some of the situation, how can we explain an innovation? Differences can be made between creativity and innovation. The term creativity refers the ability, right? Ability and power to develop new ideas. On the other hand, what is meant by innovation? So innovation means the use of these ideas. So in an enterprise, it can mean a new product or a new service or a new way of doing things. So innovation are based mainly on bright ideas. It is very risky and not successful at all times. The most successful innovations are often the excited one. So innovation is not only relevant to high-tech enterprises but also crucial for old lines, traditional companies which may not survive without the infusion of innovation. So innovation comes because of some of the following situation. What are that? Unexpected event, failure or success. The fact that the difference between what is assumed and what really is. Then next one is the process or task which needs the improvement. Then next change in the market or industry improvement. The next change in the market or industry structure. The next one is a change in human population. Next, change in meaning or in the way things are perceived. The last, innovation based on the knowledge. Well, these are considered in the innovation ways. So the quiz question is, just who are all listen this video, just try to solve this quiz questions. Which of the following shows the process of creating something new? First one is business model, second option is modeling, then the third option is creative flexibility, then the fourth one is innovation. Then the second question, which one of the following gives suggestions for new product and also help to market new products? The first option is existing product and services. Then the next option, federal government. Then the third option, distribution channel. Then the fourth one is consumer. Okay, just try to solve these quiz questions. Thanks for listening this video. Thank you so much.